Welcome to inSitu Academy. In this module, we will be reviewing how sales reps can use the features of our field sales app to create a stronger pre-sales process. DSD is included in a separate module. To save time, we've also included a table of contents in case there's anything specific you'd prefer to skip to. First, reps will need to download the app onto their mobile device. For iPhone or iPad users, either search inSitu Sales 2.0 on the App Store, or scan the QR code shown on the left. For Android or tablet users, either search inSitu Sales 2.0 on Google Play, or scan the QR code shown on the right. Next, an admin for your company will need to log into the admin site and register a new field rep user. Make sure to specify that the license will be for a sales representative. Once your account has been set up with a valid license, retrieve your login credentials, and use them when prompted in the app. To test out the app before your login is available, you can also jump right into a demonstration account using sample data. Pre-sale is a stage in distribution focused on outlining customer needs and expectations in advance with an estimate or order. The estimate or order is later finalized during the DSD stage with an invoice and payment. An estimate refers to an initial calculation of the expected cost of a purchase before a formal sale is made. If there are any special conditions such as customizations or requests, they'd also be calculated here. This process helps buyers make better informed decisions while allowing reps time to allocate stock to complete the transaction. Customers can place a pre-sale order to lock in the desired quantity of product stock ahead of time. This stage helps customers avoid disruptions in their supply chain and secure a steady flow of inventory. Sales reps also have the opportunity to present special pricing incentives to push for a larger future order, or plan in anticipation of upcoming demand trends. To first confirm you're using updated information, go to More, and then to Account. Select Sync Everything Now to load all of the current settings from the admin portal. Go to your Customer tab to view the customers currently assigned to your account. You can choose to view them alphabetically as a standard list, or arranged according to their addresses on the map view. Reps can also use filters to only show customers assigned to a specific route to help guide activities, and make access easier while on site. Tapping on a customer's profile will reveal 3 relevant tabs to assist reps in staying updated. The first is the History tab, showing how many visits have occurred over the month, the total amount due in open invoices, and the total number of invoices, estimates, and orders. The Info tab will show the name, address, and phone number for both the business and the rep's point of contact. This tab also shows approved payment information such as the terms, the allowed credit limit, and if any discounts are being applied. The Statement tab will show a history of payment activity on the account, noting any overdue payments, and what amounts on each have been paid thus far. Payments made will sync to QuickBooks and reduce the customer's balance. Payments made on QuickBooks, however, won't sync back as a payment, but will instead mark the balance as 0. Before beginning a pre-sales activity, reps can choose to collect full or partial payments on any open invoices during their visit to a customer. Select See All in the Open Invoices section, then tap any invoice you want to collect a payment on. If you don't want to collect the full amount at once, enter a different number into the text bar at the top to collect a partial payment. Choose Cash, Check or Visa, then Confirm. Select Start Transaction to begin a new estimate or order for that customer. If you use an ERP such as QuickBooks Online that doesn't support sales orders, you can use estimates instead as a functionally identical substitute. Next, a product catalog will appear reflecting your current lists for products and pricing. Products can be found by scrolling through the catalog with List View, Grid View, or Large Item View. You can also simply type a product name directly into the search bar, or scan a barcode number after tapping the barcode icon at the end. Tapping the filter icon in the search bar allows for advanced filtering options that can help in presenting a stronger sales value. If promotions were previously created and assigned to the customer, reps can choose to only focus on those items, or highlight the offering by showing them first. If you're pushing any new items, those can be emphasized in the same way, by only showing new items, or by listing them first. The most important option will be sorting by sales, since this essentially functions as a favorites, or a reordering feature. Sort by the products most sold to that customer, or simply by the products most sold in general amongst all of your customers. This can also let you double-check what inventory the store will typically need. Aside from those, the 3 selections on the bottom can be used for more precise segmentation, only allowing your exact selections to be shown. You can add as many as desired between categories, subcategories, and brand. The icon will become bright red after applying the filter settings to indicate success. Select the prompt price list right below the search bar, and choose from the available options in the drop-down menu. Price lists are set on the admin site then assigned to customers, and can either increase or decrease the cost of chosen goods based on percentages. In this example, the price list is creating an incentive to purchase any brand of energy drink, and has reduced the pricing for each by 25%. Our other example is increasing the prices of soda by 18% due to a surge in demand. Saving a variety of lists can better prepare you for personalizing sales between customers, or according to any circumstances. To actually add products, choose quantities by selecting the gray box and inputting a number on your mobile keyboard, or by tapping the adjacent plus sign to add one at a time. Reps can utilize additional settings to manually support a sale by tapping on a product's image for more options. Specifying units of measurement creates simpler figures for ordering greater quantities, along with making it more convenient to select exact amounts from warehouses applying the same metrics. Tap on U of M directly below the line for item quantity. Use multiple unit sets between various product types so terms properly match. In cases where the available inventory is insufficient for pre-sale, reps can conveniently swap to an alternate warehouse with acceptable stock. Select Warehouse, then choose one of your warehouses from the drop-down menu. If additional fields of information are needed, admins can set custom fields to appear in both the extended product details and on checkout. Customize where they appear on the screen, and what form they will take, whether drop-down, text, range of numbers, or date. There are 2 ways to apply discounts to a transaction. The first method applies to individual products, and is added manually to each selection through the options. Decide between a percentage or fixed amount to reduce, then just enter it into the line marked, Add Discount. The second method is less selective, applying to the entire order. In checkout, just interact with the same prompt from the product options screen. This will instead apply the chosen discount to every item in the order. If additional information is needed, reps can again utilize any custom fields created on the admin site. Reps can also attach comments that will appear on any emailed or printed copies of the estimate. For confirmation, select Add a signature to capture a customer's digital signature. A copy can be emailed as a PDF by selecting Finish and Share, or printed on a Bluetooth printer by selecting Finish and Print. When choosing to print, a preview based on the template set by an account admin will always be shown first. Thank you for watching our inSitu Academy module. You now have everything you need to get the most out of pre-sales and DSD, using our essential solution for mobile reps in the field. Keep watching to learn about the other 2 mobile apps included in our starter license. Our inSitu Dispatch app for drivers. Or our inSitu Inventory app for pickers. Or, you can learn how to seamlessly expand into omni-channel sales using a self-service ordering portal through our B2B e-commerce.